The other thing to check is to make sure that your access keys are rotated. Even if an account wasn't compromised, you should still rotate those access keys if you haven't done it in a while. Somebody's have policies at 90 days, some do 45. So it just depends on what your policy stance is for your appetite for taking on that risk. Always make sure that you rotate those keys on a compromise. Even if it wasn't a user, it's always good to do that. The root user password should be changed as well inside of this breach. Even if it wasn't something that was breached, it should be changed anyway. A lot of times people don't change their passwords for the root account, and it could have been years before you changed it. Chances are it's a good time to do it right now. You've just been compromised. You're putting things back together. That's one thing to knock out on your list. That's low hanging fruit that should have probably been done. Make sure that MFA is enabled after that too. If you're re-enabling the account, if they got in through the root account credentials and MFA wasn't enabled, that's a problem too. That's definitely a finding on any security analyst chart. There's that root user always needs to have MFA. So make sure that's enabled too, if it's not already when you're bringing back the accounts. Also, just make sure that anything else, you're documenting these. You got to document the incident. You got to document what happened. You got to document what's going on. You also got to let AWS know some certain things too. Maybe somebody ran up a bill, like Sam was saying earlier. Somebody ran up a bill for $10,000 because they had a bit mine coining in Europe going on. Who knows? Something like that going on.